What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove or delete shared files on Google Drive on your Android phone. Right, so you want to go ahead and open up your Google Drive application, guys. Then you want to go to shared. So on the lower side of your phone, you'll maybe your phone could be at home. You want to tap on shared. Here you'll find all of those files and folders that are shared with you are the ones that you have shared, right? So let's say you want to go ahead and delete a folder that was shared with you. So you want to go ahead and press and hold on that folder or file, and on the upper right hand side of your phone you'll find a delete button. So you want to tap on that, and it will basically give you the pop-up that says remove folder. You can tap on that and it will remove folder, right? The collaborator will still have access, but that's how you go ahead and remove those files and folders from your phone. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to remove or delete shared files and folder on Google Drive on your Android phone.